How you doing, guys? Dragonman here. I'm in my beautiful house. I love it here. It brings back a million memories. And I want to bring back memories to you older guys too. Okay? Since this COVID thing hit Colorado and hit the United States, they canceled like all the car shows, right? Really pisses me off. Because that was the highlight of my week, going to the car show. We actually have a car show on Powers Boulevard, across the street from Walmart, at the Kmart parking lot every Saturday night. But all the major car shows are all canceled this year. Okay, so anyway, we're going to highlight my newest car I got, 41 Willys. Check it out. Isn't that cool? 1941 Willys. They only made them 1940 and 1941. After that, the Willys company made Jeeps for World War II. So I just got it a few days ago, and I took a few cars out, about 25, 26 cars, because I'm going to treat you guys today. We're going to have a car show at Dragonman's just for you, my fans. Okay, so anyway, we're going to go outside. I got cars out. It took about 2.5 hours to get a lot of cars out of my oldies room. Let me get one of my weapons here. I never leave the house without a firearm. And the second most important thing is the firearm has to be loaded. Okay guys, let's go outside. Let's go to the car show that I'm putting on for you. Okay guys, we're going to start over here. I got hot rods all around my house. And of course, it's another beautiful day in Colorado Springs. Okay, over here, I got my street legal dragster. Pretty cool, huh? And as you can see, I took a few cars out. So let's come around here. This is my 49 Ford. It's got a Mercury flathead motor in it. This is my 29 chop top Ford 427 engine. Look at this beauty here. 1928 sedan. Air conditioning, leather seats, small block Chevy motor, automatic transmission, beautiful sound system, ready to go. Here's my 34 Ford. Another beautiful car. And over here I have my 29 chopped and channeled coupe with a 350 motor in it. This one here's got nitrous, my 31 chopped and channeled. Got a 383 stroker motor with nitrous. And one of my sedans. So how do you like the car show so far? You guys having fun? Okay, so come around the back of my house here. Let me show you some more stuff. Okay, so anyway, here's my 55 Chevy. 6-speed manual transmission, small block Chevy motor. Here's my 1955 Ford. Got air conditioning, hydraulics, brand new 302 motor, automatic. It's got a Cadillac interior. Another beautiful car. And here, come around the back of my house here. Hey, you guys want to hear my dragster? Let's start it up. See if it'll start right up. I love my hot rods. The whole chassis is made out of 4130 chromoly tubing. Built the whole car in my shop on the floor. Okay guys, let's see what we got over here. Here's my 3-window, 454 powered 32 Ford, air conditioning, disc brakes. This is an all metal T-bucket. A lot of work went into this. This is a show winner, all metal. It's got the door on the right side. Okay, over here, chopped and channeled. 31. It's got a Speedway crate motor in it. I just put those bigger tires on the back, Mickey Thompson's. Okay, this one here's got air conditioning, automatic, 350. It's got power steering. This is really a beautiful car here. Hey, come around here, you can check out the inside. It's got a rumble seat. See that? Wooden steering wheel, all the gauges work. Great sound system. Okay, you turn around. 31 Roadster, 383 stroker motor, blown, Demon carburetors. This is very, very fast. It weighs like hardly nothing. Okay, over here, this is my other 3-window 32. Check out the license plate. That's the last thing the average guy would see if he's racing me. Yeah, it's got a big block 502, 671 blow-up, B&M hydro transmission, 16-inch wide Mickey Thompson's tires on the back, narrowed Ford rear, 411 gears. Okay, over here, look at this car. Victoria. This car looks like it was made yesterday. Yeah, check it out. Beautiful, beautiful car. It's got a Thunderbird T-Bird motor in it. Automatic. Curves like a kitten. Okay, my next one here. Here's another 31, full fended. See that? Another beautiful car. In fact, every one of them is beautiful. It's just some cars are more beautiful than others. Okay, here's another 31. A small block 350 crate motor. And here's a perfect 1956. Check it out. 4-speed on the floor, Hurst shifter. Chevy rear end. Small block Chevy 350 motor in it. Okay, over here's my my T, 26T. They come around this way. You could check it out. It's a $5,000 paint job. Look at the dragon on the door. Isn't that neat? Pretty cool. When they see this car, they know it's the Dragonman's. Mickey Thompson tires on the back, 16 inches wide, narrowed Ford rear. Beautiful, beautiful car. The whole body's on a custom box chassis. Okay, over here, check this one out. This isn't a Mercury. It looks like a Mercury, but it's a chop top Ford. A lot of body work went into this. It's got skirts, leg pipes, French tint tail lights, roll and pleated interior, shaved door handles, electric windows, air conditioning, hydraulics, red and white, roll and pleated leather interior. And check out the front here. This is bad. Nose and decked. This is really, really 50 style. Okay, over here I got my 57 Chevy. See that? That's got 4 on the floor. Munson transmission. And right in the corner over there is my 58. 1958 Chevy. That's the first year the car manufacturers started putting 4 headlights in front of the vehicles. 1958, and the whole suspension is different. No more leaf springs. It had, coil-over springs all the way around. Okay, guys, and this is what you're waiting to see. This is my newest vehicle. Isn't it a beauty? Look at the size of that motor. It's supposed to be over 800 horsepower. Yeah, let me show you the inside here. Now, let me come around this way. Just want to show you guys a couple of things here. Yeah, check out the inside. I mean, you don't get any nicer than this. This thing is super, super fast. Tilt steering wheel. This is made for the street and racing. Check out the fuel cell in the back. Okay, look at this. Here, Colorado title. It's registered as a 41 Willys. See that? Okay, the motor was built by the Dot brothers in Connecticut. This is the receipt. The guy he bought the motor, and this is all the stuff done to the motor. Unbelievable. At the end, the bill was $20,000. It's a custom-built Dot motor, and everything is hand-built. It's a racing motor. It's made for racing, to put out horsepower. Okay, I'm going to start it up for you. Let me close the trunk. See, the trunk is electric. Okay, I'm going to start it up. That's a lot of horsepower there. Okay, guys, so anyway, it's about lunchtime, and I'm going to take this to Sandy's restaurant and show all the waitresses. And I never took this on the road yet. But before I go, I like to make sure my weapons work. Now I flip the magazine around, and I'm ready to go for lunch. I hope you guys like the car show. I did all this for you guys. I really miss the car shows as much as you guys do. Hopefully everything will be better the next year. Hey guys, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. And come out and visit me.